Hello, stock traders. I hope all of you are having a good day and all of you are surviving this whipsaw market. We have been on a tear, but we have recently, just over this last week, seen a pullback, finally seeing a breath in the overall market. Now, in my opinion, we are still bullish, and I'm going to talk a lot about that today. I'm also going to give you two stocks that I like for tomorrow morning and see if you like them too. They're two stocks with heavy insider activity. But before we get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you have not done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. I also have my Patreon group. I hope that you'll check it out. I have a link in the description down below, and there are lots of different levels depending on how you like to trade. There are very inexpensive ways to get going with that. Definitely the crypto level is a crypto trading channel where we do swing trades on cryptocurrencies. If you're interested in that, we have that. We also have different long-term strategies and the basic, standard, and premium memberships that are available. Well, let's get right into it. I appreciate and value your time. So let's get in and start talking about this market. Okay, so we have been on a crazy train of a tear, and so finally seeing a pullback. This is the daily chart of the S&P 500. This is the SPY ETF. And I have a resistance level right here kind of pulled in. Hopefully you can see this. So we have 439 as resistance here in this open gap to the upside. Down below, we have support right here on this 13 EMA, and also happens to be this important level that has hit this a couple times. You can see where it came up to it and then closed on the day and kind of rejected from it a little bit, where it came down to it, used it as support, came down to it, used it as support. So this is an important level in the S&P 500, something we should be paying attention to. And this has just been a crazy run. Who expected this crazy run? Definitely seeing higher highs and lower lows. This is looking like a bull trend. And so these different lines I have here are the 48 EMA and the 200 SMA. And anytime we're above the 200 SMA, I'm bullish on the overall stock market. That means that the conditions are good for stocks. It doesn't feel like they're good for stocks. You got Powell saying he's going to raise rates and all kinds of crazy stuff going on that's been talked about. And the other thing to look at is here's the VIX. I just kind of wanted to show you this. This doesn't feel right, does it? The VIX is at $12, or not dollars. The VIX is at 12.91. And so that is crazy low. You would think that volatility would kick up at some point, but we continue moving higher, and the bulls keep stepping in, and it appears that they're stepping in and buying the dip. And so it'll be interesting to see on Friday how the market reacts. All right, so let's get into these two stocks that I like. Both of these have significant insider activity. That's why I like them so much. This first one has been beat up to oblivion. This is crazy. Look at this move downwards. This is terrible. This is NanoString Technologies, ticker symbol NSTG. And the insiders bought lots of shares right in here on this big move downwards, and it's continued to move down. This has not been a successful trade for me. I have been averaging in on this because I believe in the multiple officers insider activity that happened on this. And this has gotten all the way down. It closed at 405 on Thursday, and I'm going to be loading up more shares here. You can see what analysts think of it. Analysts have an average target price of $16.43, so they are very bullish on this. Also with insiders going in, I like this. Even the worst analyst is saying $13 a share. We have gotten killed down to the downside on this. And so I do think we're going to bounce sometime here very soon. We do have some gaps to the upside at $8.10. I'm going to be loading even a little bit more in shares. I've been averaging down as we've been hitting these lower things since we have the insider activity. All right, The other one I want to talk about is more of a secure stock. This is Planet Fitness, ticker symbol PLNT. Some people love Planet Fitness and other people have a little bit of a hatred for it. If you're someone who likes to work out, you don't like the idea of being kind of hushed, you know, you want to yell and whatever. And so there's been some, I know my son, he's a big, he works out a lot. And so he likes a real gym, is what he calls a real gym. And he doesn't say that this is a real gym. But this is a great place for a lot of people to go and to exercise. They have very affordable plans and lots of locations across the United States. I like this company overall, and we've seen insider activity by multiple officers. And we saw that right in here. So this is where the insider activity happened, right at the end of May. And so it has been a little bit of a while on this. I've been holding this one, been buying up shares, and I have just loaded up shares again on Thursday morning and have just been waiting for this thing to turn around. We have lots of buy signals, and it appears that this is about to run out of steam to the downside, and this is a good time to load. So I like this very much, and so with the buy signals and everything, I am continually loading on this one. See what you think about it. If you like this stock, this would be a good one. The insider activity definitely is bullish for me. I like it and feel secure knowing that we have insiders who are willing to spend their own money. I wish you all the best on the stock market coming to you today, and looking forward to more and more videos. I so appreciate your support. Please reach out to me in the comment section down below if you have any questions. And Raythoven out.